Hi, my name is Elizabeth Blackburn, and this is Telomeres and Telomerase with me. These are my parents, Marcia and Harold. They are both pharmacists. Growing up with parents that are scientists inspired me to go into school for science. Going into college, I first attended the University of Melbourne, where I had the opportunity to explore the biochemistry of amino acid metabolism. Once I graduated, I attended Cambridge University and joined the Laboratory of Molecular Biology in order to get my PhD. Accomplishing my PhD, I decided to do my postdoctoral fellowship at Yale instead of the University of California, San Francisco, since my husband John attended Yale. Going into Yale, I began with practicing various approaches on getting terminal DNA sequences to the tetrahymena rDNA molecules. The approach I started with was the end labeling technique. The end labeling technique results then showed me that the end regions of the rDNA were being particularly labeled by certain mixes of substrates. Completing my fellowship, my husband and I moved to California, where he got a position as assistant professor at UCSF, and I a research track position in the Department of Biochemistry Genetics. In 1978, UC Berkeley offered me a position as an assistant professor, which I quickly accepted. Here is when a postdoctoral fellow, Marcia, used radioactive iodine procedures in order to see if we could find any comparable protein at the ends of the rDNA. Marcia was able to find an attached protein towards the end of the rDNA transcribed region, which could have been topoisomerase. However, she was unable to find any proteins anywhere else on the rDNA. My lab was the first to try to identify these protective proteins. By 1989, I went back to UCSF due to the drive. When I got to UCSF, I kept digging into the nature and mechanisms of telomerase and telomeres. In 2009, I was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for the discovery of how chromosomes are protected by telomeres and the enzyme telomerase. Since I won the Nobel Prize, I have received many more awards, and I am an active member of many scientific societies. I was also named one of the most influential people in the world by Time magazine.